So first visits and visits. We are setting patient. After that, we are applying by step by patient. The proof is by patient ID. The prerequisite is data should be sorted based on the patient ID first. Here you can apply proc sort patients by patient. Default order, ascending order. From low value to high value, the data sort will happen. So sort operations, what are all the different options within the sort in coming class we will see.
Everybody, please mute yourselves. Lot of noise.
So here I'm going to divide first visits and last visits of each patient. That's why input patients by patient ID. First dot patient ID. Then output to first visits. Here it's or else straight away we can apply one more statement. If you ask for patient ID, then you are outputting to and visits. Now here data distribution happened. Each patient first visit will be sent to first visits and last visit will be sent to last visits. But both data sets have same columns. You can rename them. Data first visits. After that, here you are renaming BP column. BP equals to initial BP. Here, patient ID and IP. These two columns I'm keeping into this data set. I'm doing the same thing for the second and visits. Also, I'm renaming BP equal to, let's say, last BP. And BP. In both data sets, common column is patient ID. And the PP column was there. Now you renamed in both data sets. Now you can apply merge step. Data. The data set name compare BP. Instead of applying set, here we are applying merge. So merge of first visits. To apply by, the rule is data should be sorted already in the previous here. Statement is already applied here. So data is already sorted based on the sorted. The first visits and end visits are derived. So no need to sort once again because data is already in sorted order. So that's why directly the by patient ID you can apply. After that, you are producing data results equal to comparison results. Ramkrishna Tripathi.
So please mute.
Can you mute everyone, please?
Come on, sir. Data results. I'm going to produce two things here. One is growth status. Second one is growth rate. So this input is compare BP. So here we have two columns, IBP and EBP. IBP means initial BP. EBP means last time, in the last visit, how much BP. Okay. So growth status. Default value I'm taking here. No growth. And I'm comparing now. If IBP is greater than and EBP, then status decreased. Else IBP is less than and BP. Growth status increased. Similarly, growth rate I want to find out. For the growth rate, formula is like this: current value minus previous value divided by previous value equal into 100. But here, as a programmer, you need not to worry about the formulas. Whatever the formula you want to implement, the formula will be given by your client only. Okay, that means our business analyst team will give you the formula, you just have to implement them. Okay, this is a growth rate formula. Here, current value means ending BP. In the place of current value, EBP. In the place of previous value, I am giving initial BP, IBP. Yes, small mistake, BP. And previous value, IBP. So now growth rate is constructed. Now I can do comparisons. How many columns will be there here? What variables you will have? Visit number. Sorry, visit number we eliminated. Patient ID. And one more column. Initial BP and BP. Now this time you generated two columns. One is growth status. And one more thing, growth rate. So when a patient admitted into hospital, what was the initial state? And when he's leaving, when in the last visit, what is the growth rate you are finding? When compared with the beginning, at the ending, you are finding growth rate. So this is how we can do comparisons of different rows. So here, what the things helped us? One thing, first dot, last dot, along with them. So before that, by statement. Before that, sort statement, proc sort. Once first and last are distributed, you applied merge. So with the help of these 5, we are able to do this task. Okay. Now come to one point here. At least one new point today. It's all yesterday we have done. But threat is anytime this battery may be off. But we will try. All of you upload this data set. First I will type into Notepad, then I will run it here. Data. Let's just input X and Y. Lines. Some sample data. 40. 400. Last I will keep and 5500. Some rough values I have given. There is no meaning of this X and Y here. I'm going to print at the same time. What print? Data equal to SAM and then run. Let's copy this entire statement. Run this into SAS Cloud. Data set created perfectly. Observe here one new statement I am going to introduce here. Data SAM2. Input SAM. There are 4 rows. Here I am going to apply some statement. X equal to 0. Just till now, what happens is all of you. Please tell me. I will unmute you, sir. I said X equal to 0. And this is the data. What happens by this? When I say X equal to 0. X column.
Default value.
Column has a 0 value.
Already
Added to
value.
the
For all the rows, X will become 0.
0.
Similarly, if I say Z is something, a new column will be created here. Sorry. A new column will be created here. For all the rows, its value is 0.
0.
Whatever the value, constant value is applied to a variable, the value will be assigned to each and every row. Got it? So if I say something, Z equal to total equal to X plus Z. What is the result? One more total column will be created. Z is already zeros. 0 plus anything is same value. So that
Yeah.
the value of X and the value of total will be same.
Y would be added and fed to column total.
But what I am expecting here for that, all of you observe this. So just a short note, please battery, anytime this can be down. Today some problem with this charger. So please listen this last statement. What my expectation is. Look into X column only. 10, 30, 40, 50. These are the values. Okay. Come on here. Initially in the day, for the thing that this is a count of day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. In the day 1, what is the sum? 10. After 2 days, what is the total sum? After 2 days, what is the total sum? 10 plus 30.
40.
40. Next, after 3 days, what is the total sum? 40 plus 40.
80.
Next, after 4 days,
130.
130.
130. This is expectation. This is called cumulative sum. I want to produce cumulative sum. So for this, one special statement help we are going to take here. I want to find out total, cumulative total. So return is the statement here. Return and give our variable. So in the day number 1, before day number 1, the value should be 0 here. That's why I'm keeping return total 0. That is before first observation, the value of total is 0. Okay. Yeah. TOT equal to TOT plus
X.
Up to now, please run it and test it. Sorry. I'm going to run only the sample part.
Yeah, that's right.
Data set created. Check the values. X and
Yeah.
other things. In the day number 1, 10 plus 0, 10.
Mhm.
30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 40, 80. And 50 plus 80, 130. On that way, cumulative sum you can achieve by using return statement. So whenever you said, that means what return is doing. Based on this, what is the functionality of return statement here?
Keep the previous value.
It will keep this value. It will hold the value.
Previous value. That means previous
Previous.
observation value. Okay. So whenever you say return total 0, so this value is assigned before first observation. Before first observation. That's why when you say TOT plus X, in the beginning TOT value 0, 0 plus 10, 10. The 10 came to here to the total place for the first observation. That means before first observation only, the total value is 0 here.
0.
Understood. Same thing. I want to perform some grouping aggregation. Data EMP. Business, I am taking only 2 columns, 2 or 3 columns. ID, gender. Next examples, we take more columns and we will work more with this data. Data lines 101. The first person is male. 40,000. Yeah. 50,000. 103 again male. 90. 104 F. 99. 105 M. 60,000. I have only 5 observations here. So expected task, expected output is